Hello curious kiddos, join us on a whimsical journey into the muddy world of farm animals and insects and delightful dancing cow stuck in mud. In this enchanting video, children will be captivated by the charming antics of a delightful dancing cow as it navigates through muddy adventures accompanied by a motley crew of farm animals and insects. Let's go to the first animal. And our first muddy creature is reindeer. Reindeer are well adapted to survive in harsh Arctic conditions, including extreme cold temperatures and limited food availability. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them unique among deer species. A close look at the curious squirrel. There are over 200 species of squirrels and they are found on every continent except Antarctica. Squirrels are omnivores, but their diet primarily consists of nuts, seeds, fruits and fungi. They also eat insects, bird eggs and small animals on occasion. Discovering the charms of swans. Swans are among the largest flying birds. These typically have a wingspan ranging from 7 to 10 feet 2 to 3 meters, depending on the species. In the wild, swans can have a lifespan of around 10 to 20 years, depending on the species and environmental factors. Meet the furry superstars, dog. Dogs serve in various roles including search and rescue, police work, therapy, herding and as loyal family pets. The lifespan of a dog varies by breed and size. On average, smaller breeds tend to live longer than larger ones. Let's see which animal is next. Hey, it's a blue whale. Blue whales are the largest animals on earth with adults reaching lengths of up to 100 feet or more. Their heart alone can weigh as much as a small car. Blue whales are filter feeders and primarily consume tiny shrimp-like animals called krill. Meet our next muddy insect, ant. Ants are highly social insects and live in colonies that can range from a few individuals to millions, depending on the species. They can be found almost everywhere on Earth except in extreme environments such as Antarctica. There are over 12,000 known species of ants. A close encounter with the snake. Snakes have been around for a very long time, with fossil evidence suggesting that they evolved from legged ancestors during the time of the dinosaurs. Many snake species are excellent swimmers and can travel long distances in the water. Snakes are limbless reptiles. Let's go to the next animal, and our next animal is geese. There are various species of geese including Canada geese, snow geese and grey-legged geese. Many geese are known for their long-distance migrations. They often fly in a V formation, which helps them to save energy during their flights. And next in line, the mighty hippopotamus. Despite their large size, hippos are surprisingly agile and can run at speeds of up to 30 km per hour on land. Hippos are social animals and live in groups, known as pods or bloods. Consisting of up to 30 individuals, these groups are usually led by a dominant male. Flights of the storks, a visual odyssey. Storks are large, long-legged, long-necked wading birds belonging to the family Ciconidae. They typically have a wingspan ranging from 5 to 7 feet. Storks are carnivorous birds with a varied diet. They primarily feed on fish, insects, small mammals and reptiles. Decoding the diversity of Jackson's chameleon. They are known for their 3 distinct horns on their heads, which give them a unique appearance. The central horn is longer than the 2 lateral ones, and they have a crest of small scales along their back. Jackson's chameleons are relatively small. Let's move on to our next animal, panda. Pandas are native to central China and are considered a national treasure in China. They are known for their distinctive black and white fur with black patches around their eyes and ears. Pandas are primarily herbivores and they are solitary animals. Let's move on to the next animal, and our next animal is alligator. Alligators have a remarkable ability to survive in colder temperatures. American alligators are generally larger than Chinese alligators. American alligators can reach lengths of 10 to 15 feet. Chinese alligators are smaller than American alligators. Our next animal feature, the magnificent lion. Lions are powerful animals capable of reaching speeds of around 35 mph in short bursts. Lions are known for their love of sleep and can sleep for up to 20 hours in a day. They are most active during the evening and early morning, and lions are carnivores. Say hello to the majestic wolf. Wolves are carnivores and primarily hunt large ungulates such as deer, elk and moose. Wolves are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats including forest, tundra and desert. Wolf pups are born blind and deaf. And our next wild animal is white tiger. Like other Bengal tigers, white tigers are native to the Indian subcontinent, including India, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. They inhabit a variety of environments, from grasslands and forests to mangrove swamp. White tigers are extremely rare in the wild. Creature feature, the clever fox. There are about 37 species of foxes and they belong to the Canidae family, which also includes dogs, wolves and other similar mammals. Foxes are highly adaptable animals and can thrive in various environments, from forest and mountains to urban areas. Time to explore the next animal, tiger. Tigers are known for their strength and agility. They can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, 64 km per hour and leap distances of over 30 feet. Various conservation programs and initiatives are in place to protect and preserve tiger populations. The grand introduction to elephants. Elephants are believed to have excellent memories. They can remember and recognize other individuals, even after many years. Elephants are known for their high level of intelligence, emotional sensitivity, and problem-solving abilities. Elephants are highly social animals. Discovering Earth's giant, the giraffe. Each giraffe has a unique coat pattern of irregular patches, which can range in color from orange and brown to spotted white. This distinctive pattern provides camouflage in their natural habitat. Both male and female giraffes have horns known as ossicons. Exploring the farm animal zebra. Zebras typically live for around 20 to 30 years in the wild, depending on the species and environmental factors. Zebras are known for their resistance to certain diseases that affect other ungulates in the same regions. Zebras are native to Africa and are found in various habitats. Time to explore our last animal, the cow. Cows provide various products including meat, beef, leather and gelatin. Cows are intelligent animals and can learn through experience. They have been shown to solve problems and have good memories. The average lifespan of a cow is around 15 to 20 years, though this can vary based on factors such as breed and environment. Thank you for watching our delightful dancing cow stuck in mud and cleaning farm animals and insects video. Don't miss out on the fun. Subscribe now for more delightful adventures, educational content and family-friendly entertainment. Join us on future escapades. Until the next muddy adventure, bye bye curious kiddos.